Hello everyone, welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about the levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for 23rd of September, and also we are going to discuss a few stocks for tomorrow's trading session. So let me start with today's trading session move, and we have seen a good small gap up opening, but it was not sustained on the first candle we can see here and here from here, and it has fallen down. So market was in a sideways since second half of the time, because we have seen a very good down move on yesterday trading session. So this was a consolidation, and finally it has given a lower side breakout. So it could be one opportunity to take a trade on a weekly options or maybe futures here. And we have seen some kind of lastly bounce back on this time frame also. So let's mark the levels for today's trading session: high and low. So 21,473 is the high, and this is the low, 20,958. So these are the two lows, and we are going to convert this to the 15-minute time frame, because we have seen not a area of swing high, swing low, or some support in since last 4 to 5 trading session. So we are going to use Fibonacci retracement, which will help you to identify proper level. I'm going to take a, this is the level. Okay, if I take a this retracement, this small retracement, and it will 161% somewhere here, and the 261 is something somewhere here, 27,678. So I'm going to mark this level 20,750 is a good area of support for Bank Nifty index. And if we can take a if we want to mark the resistance, so I am convert this chart to the again 5-minute time frame, and we have seen a good amount of consolidation somewhere here, and also here, this lower level. So it could be your, here is a resistance area, here is also a resistance area, one more is resisting here. And if we can take this downfall, there are in total 3 resistance, 1, 2, 3, and this is also fourth resistance are there. And I'm going to mark the level for the resistance is same as we have marked at 21,700 here, because the major area of support has been broken out somewhere here. So if any kind of bounce comes in the Bank Nifty, this will be a very interesting area of resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay. And the important area of support which we have marked here is 20,700. So let me convert and check the Nifty index chart. Nifty index also we have seen a good momentum on downsides in the beginning of the market, starting of the market, and in the last session we have seen around after 1 p.m. or around 2 p.m. we have seen a good decline in Bank Nifty also again. So overall we have seen after this much of down move, it was in a sideways. And let's mark the level for today's trading session high. 11,250 is the area of today's trading session high, and 11,084.65 is the low. Okay, 22nd September is it's a low. So these are the two levels. And now if we want to mark the level for a resistance, I'm going to take this as my retracement, because this is a good fall, and we have seen this 38% at this high, today's trading session high, and I'm going to mark the level at this 50%, 11,300 as the area of resistance for Nifty index. And let me mark the level for tomorrow's trading session, the area of support. So here we can also again going to take a small retracement here, and the 161% comes near 10,983. And we have also marked on a daily time frame, this is on daily time frame, around 10,900. So I'm going to mark this 10,950 round number. I'm going to take 10,950 is the area of support. You can just remove this on a daily. 10,950 is the area of support. 11,300 is the area of resistance for Nifty index. So these are the two levels for important area of support for Nifty index. So let me focus a few stocks for upcoming session. That is 23rd September. The first one is Biocon, and we have seen a good decline again in this stock also. If we can see on a daily time frame, and if I mark the some Bollinger Band, it has taken support here, and previously also the breakout somewhere here. So let me convert to this to the 15-minute time frame, and we have seen a resistance area somewhere here 428 4. So above this 430 is a good area of resistance. If it crosses 430, you can simply buy this stock and keep your stop loss around this consolidation low around 425 or 424 somewhere here. Okay, I'm going to mark 424. So if it crosses 430, then 424 is the area of stop loss. So you can simply check and keep this stock in your watch list. And the second one is the UPL, and we have seen a good decline in UPL. By the way, I have given in my Telegram channel also the UPL in morning around 5:30, and it has touched a level of low around 512. So if you are not the part of my Telegram channel, you can simply be member of my Telegram channel. Link into description for this channel. You can simply find it. And if you want to cut trade, so below 525, you can take a short sell below 525. This is the area to enter as a short sell, and keep your stop loss at 530 level somewhere here, this candle high. If it is breaking down 525, take a trade, and all the way your target should be around this is the low, and maybe your target of this stock UPL. So that's it from my side, and if you like this video, you can simply hit the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.